A Texas district attorney says he will not prosecute a woman who was arrested and charged with murder for her alleged role in an abortion. Now, in a statement, the DA said in part, in reviewing applicable Texas law, it is clear that the woman cannot and should not be prosecuted for the allegation against her. We should note it's unclear if the woman was being accused of having an abortion herself or for helping with someone else's. NBC News correspondent Catie Beck joins us now. So, Catie, first, let's just bring everyone up to speed. I mean, abortion is still a protected right in America. So why was this woman even arrested in the first place?
Yeah, good morning, Joe. It's a really good question and certainly stirring a lot of outrage among protesters there along the border in Texas and the small community of Starr County. A lot of people wanting more information. There simply isn't a lot of public information about exactly what statute that woman was charged under. Because as you said, in the state of Texas, it is actually not permitted to charge a pregnant woman with a self-induced abortion with homicide. That is actually not permitted under the law. And of course, as we know, the law that's gotten a lot of attention in Texas, SB 8, which was passed in September, is the strictest abortion law in the country, but it only carries a civil penalty. This woman obviously being charged with homicide is a criminal charge. So the DA, the sheriff, they are sort of walking this back now, as you see the DA saying that he is going to drop this charge. But initially what she was charged under is still unclear at this point. I think we'll probably find that out later this morning when there's a court hearing.
Yeah, we heard a little bit of the statement from the DA there. Did the DA give much more information about why they decided not to press charges?
Basically, in his statement, he was emphatically clear that this is not a criminal matter and that she should not have been charged. He actually mentioned that this has been quite traumatic for her and her family, and that he was seeking to dismiss these charges as soon as possible, as soon as the courts opened. That basically, the sheriff there was given a case, he investigated, and that basically under the law, this charge holds no real weight. So it looks as though they are clearly admitting a mistake or some type of miscalculation of Texas law at this point. But where that is yet to be seen, we'll hopefully get those answers when they have their hearing this morning.
Catie, what has been the reaction to this case in Texas?
Well, it has drawn folks from all over the state to come in support of this woman and demand her release. She was arrested on Thursday, released on bond on Saturday. But obviously, this case, as soon as it hit, the media, got a ton of attention from, abortion rights advocates that got out there and said, this is unfair, this is illegal, this woman is being held illegally, detained illegally, and there is no charge criminally for her to be charged with homicide of a self-induced abortion, which is what that indictment says.
It's gone from a local story to a national one very quickly. Catie Beck, thanks so much for your reporting. Appreciate it.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.